In this Abacus video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can enter in your own custom reasons for refunding, deleting, and discounting orders. I'll also show you how you can create your own predefined notes which you can attach to an item or an order on the POS. First, we'll start with creating a refund reason. To do this, I'll click POS settings on the left side of the screen. Now I'll select refund reasons here. By default, your account will have these three reasons preset. You can delete these if you like by tapping the X icon here. I'll leave these for now. To create our own refund reason, I'll click the Add New Reason button here. For my example, I'll enter Paid Off Incorrect Order. Now that I've entered in the refund reason, I'll just click out of the column and the reason will be created. Now when I do a master sync on the POS, this reason will be available for selection. To create a delete reason, just click Delete Reasons over here. Again, you can see that there are 3 delete reasons created by default. To add another delete reason, just click Add New Reason. For this example, I'll enter Paid Off Incorrect Order again. Now that I've entered the delete reason, I'll just click out of the table again. Now the delete reason has been created, and after a master sync, I'll be able to select it. Now I'll show you how to create discount reasons. To do this, just click Discount Reasons here. You can see here that the discount reasons table is empty. To add a new discount reason, I'll click Add New Reason. For my example, I'll enter VIP. Now I'll click out of the table and the discount reason has been created. Now that I've created a refund reason, a delete reason, and a discount reason, I'll show you how they work on the POS. First, I'll just do a master sync to sync the changes I made on the backend. Now that I've done a master sync, I'll put through an order and then show you where you can enter in the delete or refund reason. Now that I've put through a transaction, I'll go to Order History by tapping the drop-down menu and then selecting Order History. First, we'll start with refunding the order. To do this, I'll tap the 3 dots. Now I'll select Refund. From here, I'll choose to refund the entire order and then tap Cash. Now I'll tap the drop-down arrow on the reason list, and here you can see the custom refund reason we created. For now, I'll exit out of here and then tap the X. Next, I'll show you how to enter in your delete reason. To do this, I'll tap the 3 dots and then tap Delete. Now I'll select Yes and we'll be prompted to enter in our delete reason. Like before, I'll tap the drop-down arrow on the reason list, and here we can see the custom delete reason we created on the backend. Now I'll show you how to make the POS prompt for a reason whenever a discount is applied to an item or an order. First, there are a couple settings that we have to apply. I'll go to the drop-down menu and then tap Settings. In the system search bar, I'll enter Reason. Now I'll drop down the keyboard. Here you can see the option we're looking for, which is Require Discount Reason. Once we enable this setting, anytime we apply a discount, it will ask us for a reason why. Another setting you might want to apply is this one. Prevent staff from manually entering in reasons. When this is enabled, they will have to choose from the reason list that you've created. They won't be able to enter in their own custom reasons on the POS. For our example, we'll enable both of these. Now that they've been enabled, I'll tap Save to Server and then tap Yes. Now I'll apply a discount to an order. I'll select the discount button at the bottom of the screen and then do a 10% discount. Now I'll tap the drop-down arrow to access the reason list. And here you can see the VIP discount reason I created on the backend. Now we'll switch to the backend and I'll show you how to create a predefined note you can use for an item or an order. Now that we're on the backend, I want to create a predefined note that I can attach to an item or an order. To do this, I'll click POS Settings, and then I'll select Predefined Notes. You can see here that the Predefined Notes table is currently empty. To create a new note, I'll click Add New Note. For my example, I'll enter Nut Allergy. Now that I've entered my note, I'll click out of the table and the note has been created. Now we'll switch to the POS again. Now that we're on the POS, I'll do a master sync to sync the changes I made from the backend. Now that I've done a master sync, I'll add an item to the order. Now I'll select Order Details at the bottom of the screen. Now I'll tap the Notes List drop-down arrow, and here you can see the nut allergy note I created. Now that I've selected the note, I'll tap Done. Here you can see that the nut allergy note has been applied to the order. I can also apply this predefined note to an individual item. To do this, I'll just swipe left on the double egg burger. Now that I've swiped left on the item, I'll tap Options. Now I'll tap the drop down arrow to access my notes list. And here you can see the nut allergy note. Once I've selected the note, I'll tap Done to add it to the item. Here you can see that the note has been applied to an individual item.